Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Hoverboard is probably one of the most exciting and futuristic personal transportation devices to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of fun, convenience, and cutting-edge technology that allows riders to glide effortlessly across various surfaces with intuitive body movements, making it an increasingly popular choice for both recreational use and short-distance commuting. And as these devices continue to evolve with improved battery life, speed, and safety features, they represent a fascinating glimpse into the future of how we might move around. Number 5. Buggy Hoverboard Attachment. Turn your existing hoverboard into an exciting go-kart with this amazing attachment. It's compatible with most hoverboards, allowing you to cruise the streets in a whole new way. Experience complete control with easy-to-use hand-operated joysticks. The independent rear-wheel drive ensures quick turns and smooth forward and reverse movement. Securely attach it to your hoverboard with adjustable straps and rubber protectors for total safety. The adjustable frame length ensures a comfortable and customized ride for everyone. Get ready for fun in no time. All necessary mounting hardware is included, along with a step-by-step guide to make assembly and installation a breeze. This attachment guarantees hours of fun for kids, teens, and adults alike. It's the perfect gift for family and friends, promising endless entertainment in any neighborhood. Remember to always use safety gear, such as helmets and pads, for a secure and enjoyable experience. Please carefully follow the instruction manual before assembly and installation. What we like. This attachment is perfect for transforming your existing hoverboard into a fun go-kart. It offers excellent control with hand-operated joysticks and an adjustable frame for a comfortable fit. If you're looking for a way to add a new dimension of fun to your hoverboard and enjoy a more active, kart-like experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The hoverboard has a bright LED light on the front, which is great for riding at night. It is very easy to learn to ride the hoverboard, even for beginners. The hoverboard has a powerful motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Number 4. Buggy Attachment. Turn your electric hoverboard into an exciting go-kart. This attachment is compatible with most hoverboards, making it a versatile addition to your ride. Experience complete control with hand-operated joysticks for easy maneuvering. Independent rear-wheel drive allows for quick turns and smooth forward and reverse motion. Securely attach it to your hoverboard with adjustable straps and rubber protectors for total safety. The adjustable frame length ensures a comfortable and customized riding experience. Get ready for fun in no time. All necessary mounting hardware and a step-by-step installation guide are included for a hassle-free assembly. Guaranteed to provide hours of entertainment for kids, teens, and adults alike. It makes for an excellent gift for family and friends. Always prioritize safety. We recommend using protective gear like helmets and pads for a secure and enjoyable ride. Please read the manual carefully before assembly. What we like. This option takes the hoverboard go-kart experience to the next level with added turbo LED lights for a flashy ride. It provides the same great control and adjustability as other attachments. If you want to stand out and add some flair to your rides, especially in lower light conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The hoverboard is easy to learn and control, making it suitable for beginners. It has a powerful motor that allows for smooth and stable rides, even on slightly uneven surfaces. The LED lights on the front and sides add a cool visual effect, especially when riding at night. Number 3. Gyroor G13 All-Terrain Self-Balancing Scooter. Introducing the Gyroor G13, a self-balancing scooter certified for safety. Its smart system makes learning easy for beginners, kids, and adults, allowing confident riding forward or backward. This off-road balancing scooter features rugged 6.5-inch all-terrain tires. They can handle dirt, grass, and gravel, making it perfect for exploring your backyard or local park. Enhance your riding experience with vibrant LED wheel lights and bright headlights. You can also connect your phone to the built-in Bluetooth speaker and enjoy music on the go. Enjoy longer adventures with a battery that provides up to 8 miles per charge. It also recharges quickly, so you can spend more time riding and less time waiting. This all-terrain self-balancing scooter makes an ideal gift for anyone. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for kids and adults alike. Get ready for an exciting riding experience with powerful dual motors that can climb hills. It supports riders up to 176 pounds, offering a thrilling adventure for all. What we like. This self-balancing scooter is designed for adventure, featuring rugged all-terrain tires that can handle various surfaces. It also comes with LED lights for visibility and a Bluetooth speaker to enjoy music on the go. If you're seeking an off-road capable hoverboard experience with added entertainment features, this is an excellent option for exploring beyond smooth pavement. What people say. The hoverboard has a smooth ride and is easy to control, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 2 hours on a single charge. The built-in Bluetooth speaker connects easily and provides good sound quality for music on the go. Number 2. Hover, One Beast Buggy Hoverboard Attachment. Turn your electric hoverboard into an exciting go-kart. This attachment is designed to work with most 10-inch hoverboards, letting you experience a whole new way to ride. Take command with intuitive hand-operated joysticks for effortless steering and maneuverability. The independent rear-wheel drive ensures quick turns and smooth forward or reverse motion. Securely attach it to your hoverboard with adjustable straps and rubber protectors for ultimate safety. The frame length can also be customized for a comfortable and personalized ride. Getting started is a breeze. All necessary mounting hardware and a step-by-step guide are included, making installation quick and easy. Guaranteed to provide hours of enjoyment for kids, teens, and adults alike. It's the perfect gift for endless family fun in the neighborhood. What we like. This go-kart attachment is specifically designed for larger 10-inch hoverboards, offering a stable and controlled ride. It provides the familiar hand-operated controls and adjustable frame for a personalized fit. If you have a larger hoverboard and want to convert it into a fun buggy, this attachment ensures compatibility and a great experience. What people say. The hoverboard has a smooth ride and the lights are bright. It is easy to learn and control, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 2 hours on a single charge. Number 1. Hover, One Ziggy Folding Kick Scooter for Kids. Introducing a scooter designed for safe and enjoyable rides. Its easy lean-to-steer mechanism and smooth gliding tires make it simple and fun to get around. This scooter is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 5.2 pounds, and features a one-step fold. It's perfect for carrying around when you're on the go. We prioritize safety with features like multicolor LED lights on the wheels and stem. This ensures visibility and a secure ride, especially for children over 5. The handlebar can be easily adjusted to match your child's height. Cushioned grips provide maximum comfort and a secure hold during every ride. Forget about charging. This scooter is powered by 6 AAA batteries, allowing for uninterrupted fun. Simply replace the batteries when needed. Ideal for outdoor adventures or indoor play, this scooter is a fantastic gift. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays, bringing hours of fun. What we like. This is a lightweight and portable kick scooter designed for younger riders. Its folding mechanism makes it easy to carry, and the LED wheels add a fun visual element. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and fun way for kids to get around without the need for charging, this battery-operated scooter is a fantastic choice. What people say. The hoverboard has a smooth ride and is easy to learn. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. The built-in Bluetooth speaker adds a fun element for music lovers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.